Power for All is a global campaign to achieve universal energy access in 2025 by accelerating the adoption of renewable, decentralized energy solutions. A growing range of products designed for non-grid environments, including pay-as-you-go home systems, mini-grids, small wind, and microhydro, are immediately deployable and widely affordable, as well as the fastest, most cost-effective, and sustainable approach to delivering power to the more than 1 billion people trapped in energy poverty. Centralized generation and transmission grids are a great solution for dense, short transmission distance markets. But between the cost of grid extension and transmission losses, the economics don't work in low-density, long-distance situations. Given that 85% of the energy-impoverished live in rural areas, any cost-effective, practical access solution must include smaller-scale generation and limited, if any, transmission. So what happens when this 85%, who are already paying outrageous sums for poor quality solutions like charcoal and kerosene, are given a choice to purchase clean, safe, and renewable energy that both saves money and delivers an ROI? A revolution in the way that power is generated, used, and paid for. Modern renewable and efficient technologies offer a dramatically different electricity future, and the poor have proven that they can and will pay market prices for modern power solutions when given the choice, and create their own access to energy. By creating choice, the decentralized renewable energy sector is democratizing energy access and creating a thriving, vibrant market with bottomless demand. In fact, if you combine the number of customers from the founding organizations of Power for All, our sector is already providing energy to more customers than some of the largest electrical utility companies in the world. It turns out that the challenge of delivering universal energy access is also an incredible opportunity. Without legacy infrastructure, the developing world is a blank slate for energy, much in the same way it was a blank slate for telecommunications a few years ago. In fact, the solar lighting industry today, only one segment of the decentralized renewable sector, has approximately the same penetration rate as the African mobile phone industry in the late 1990s. Back then, mobile penetration was just 1%. But today, in sub-Saharan Africa, 85% of the population uses mobile phones. And with many of the same factors in place that made phones such a success, inexpensive hardware, competition, and affordable payments, we believe that this could be the curve of energy access, leading to universal access by 2025. The world is facing a unique moment in history to deliver universal energy access, and we all have a role to play. By working together to drive acceptance of renewable, distributed power as a legitimate part of the world's global energy supply, we can transform the way the world thinks about delivering energy, and we can indeed achieve power for all.